How to enable or disable bug report shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search bug report shortcut from here. Scroll down. You will see bug report shortcut is here. If you want to enable bug report shortcut, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see bug report shortcut is enabled. If you want to disable bug report shortcut, after turn off this button, you will see bug report shortcut is disabled. You will enable or disable bug report shortcuts from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable bug report shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.